Hi guys, good afternoon. Hi, ako na muna nga. Hi guys, good afternoon. Pangit ng weather ngayon. Yes. Sila Kuya TJ nasa Adelaide. Umalis na. Ano?
We're doing cooking.
We're gonna cook. So kasi sabi ko, dapat maglalakad kami kanina. Kaso, ang pangit ng weather. So para, wait, Mommy talk first, okay? So, yun nga, wala kayong magawa ni Sak. Dapat maglalakad kami. So, sabi ko, magluto na lang kayo. Magluluto tayo. What we're gonna cook, Sak? Ano?
Pansit canton.
Pansit canton. Pansit Gisado. Hi guys, good afternoon. Today's Saturday and it's May 12. And wala kayong magawa ni Sak. Supposed to be, may gagawin kami. Hi. Can Mommy talk first? Ikakat niya na naman ako bago niya ako ikat. Wala si Kuya at si Jan. So, dapat kanina maglalakad kami ni Sak. Kaso, umuulan. So, sabi ko, magluto na lang kami. What we gonna cook?
We gonna toyo.
Ano? What we gonna cook?
Pansit canton.
Pansit. And what?
And crayfish.
Crayfish. So, kasi wala kong... Ano?
I have a special present for Mother's Day.
Do you have what?
A very special.
A very special. Guys, lagi niya akong tinatanong kung ilang paraw
I'm not gonna tell you.
What
is it?
Okay. Lagi niyang tinatanong kung ilang tulog paraw ang Mother's Day. Tapos sabi ko ngayon, nagsimula siya nung Thursday kasi siguro may ginawa sila sa school, hindi ko alam. Tapos kahapon, tapos ngayon. Tapos sabi ko, one more sleep and then Mother's Day na. Yun nga, bukas. So say, Happy Mother's Day to everyone out there.
Happy Mother's Day, guys.
You look at here.
I
So,
did.
yeah, okay. So, what we gonna go what we gonna cook again? What we gonna cook?
We're gonna cook pansit canton and crayfish.
Are you gonna help Mommy? Kanina binalatan niya na yung yung carrots and hindi ko alam kung ano pang mga sangkap ang nandiyan pero alam ko kulang-kulang yung pero para may magawa lang kami ni Sak, magluto na lang kami. Let's go, Sak. And hey guys, magpapasalamat lang ako sa nagpadala nito kay Roslyn. And thank you Roslyn for bringing this here. And Kim's Collection, sa Kim's Collection daw to galing. Hi Kim's Collection, thank you for the necklace. Meron pa siya yung cross, match tong heart na to sa earrings ko. Oh. So yun, thank you Kim's Collection. So, bye. Hey, Holly, let's go. Say hi guys. Hi, say hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys. Okay, let's go Kuya. Magluto na tayo. So, nasabi ko na ba yung date? May 12 ngayon. So, bukas Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day everyone. Sa mga nanay dyan. Magluto. Magtingin tayo kung anong meron sa fridge saka sa freezer. So, eto yung mga vegetables na meron ako sa ref. Ayan. Tsaka eto yung cabbage. Turuan ko lang sa kung paano magtanggal nito. Itong dulo. Ayan. Okay, you have to putol means cut. No, this one here.
Mommy?
No, like this. And pull it down. Again. Other one. There have both sides. Yung dalawa. Yan, putol. Putol like this. Like that one. Okay. And this one. Okay? Say? Sa. La. Mat.
Pot.
Salamat po.
Bye-bye.
Okay, the one you done, dito ha, dito mo ilagay yung tapos na ha, dito. Itong side, okay?
Mom, you have to take this bit.
Yeah.
Oh, no way. Not half so big. Mom, Mommy. Keep careful. Too big.
Yeah, just put, this is cabbage, but in Tagalog, repolyo. Say repolyo. Repolyo. Say it again.
Papaya.
Repolyo.
Okay.
What are you eating?
No. Hey. Hey. Mom.
Yes, say sala.
Yeah.
La.
Yeah.
Mat.
Huh?
Po. Salamat po.
Mommy.
Naglagay ako ng lip tint, guys, kasi ano, ang putla ko. Tsaka yung maitim ba ang lips ko, kahit hindi naman ako naninigarilyo. Pero ano lang, moisturizer lang yung sa mukha ko.
Mom, Mom.
What?
Tonton and that.
Crayfish.
Crayfish. Wow! Why have to put these?
So, I think sample lang carrots.
What is?
Come on, why are you asking, Mommy? You have to...
What is? Mom, that. Daddy.
I told you, Baguio beans.
Daddy. So what is it in Tagalog?
In Tagalog, Baguio beans. In Australia, green beans.
What is onions?
Onions in Tagalog is sibuyas. Say sibuyas.
The people.
Sibuyas. Say sibuyas.
Sibuyas.
Sibuyas. What's this? Ano to?
Buya.
Sibuyas. Si. Say si.
See.
Bo.
What is crayfish in a dog?
Ano bang crayfish? Lobster siya. Hindi ko alam. I don't know.
What's milk in the dog?
Milk is gatas. Okay, come on, hurry up.
Dollars.
Come on, I want you to do what I asked you.
Oh.
Ano na ba ba? Yeah. Finish.
Guys,
Do you like crayfish? Huh? Ayan, hihimayin ko na yung laman nito. Tapos, ayan, tapos na si Sakmag. Alis ng mga tangkay dito sa Baguio beans. So, yeah. So, eto na yung itsura ng crayfish. Patapos kong tanggalin yung shell. Tapos, eto, linabas ko na rin yung karning baboy. Tapos, ayan na, inalis ko na yung tubig. Binabad ko siya ng 30 minutes sa mainit na tubig. Tapos, yan, nahiwa ko na yung vegetables. Eto, hindi na siya masyadong maganda kasi mag-1 week na siya sa ref. Inalis ko yung iba kasi hindi na siya maayos. Okay, yan. Magigisa na tayo. So, ito yung kawaling gagamitin ko, guys. Meron akong malaking kawali, pero feeling ko kasya naman siya dyan. Ito na lang yung oil natin. Ayaw to. Holly, no smacking Kuya Saki. Ay, ang dulas. Maglagay lang tayo ng oil. Tapos yun, gigisa-gisayin lang. Yun lang. Painitin natin siya. Mainit na yung kawali. Lagay natin yung sibuyas muna. Ayan, puto lang ulo ko, guys. Okay lang yan. Sibuyas. Gamit ko pala malaking chopsticks. Igigisa ko muna tong pork. Na yung garlic. Ayan. Holly? What are you doing, Holly? What's that? No, Holly? No? Baba! Nandun siya sa ano, oh. Ayan. Ilagay na natin tong baboy. Holly, close that, please. No, no touching here. That's not for you. Close, please. Close. Mapalo ka ni Mami. Sige. Come on, close it, please. Palo, palo. Pitik, pitik, pitik. Close, please. Close. Close. Thank you. Close it, please. Kung may liempo sana ako, gusto kong sana yung liempo, tawag yun? I-crispy, tapos ilagay sa toppings ng, Pansit Canton, or Pansit Gisado. Kaso wala tayo eh. Meron ako nasa freezer pala. Wala nang time. Okay, lutuin lang natin yung karne, and ilalagay ko yung lobster, tapos yung mga vegetables. Yun muna unahin ko. So, balikan ko kayo. Ito na yung magiging itsura niya. Gusto ko kasi medyo brown, yung medyo crunchy, yung yung karne sa pansit. Tapos ngayon, ilalagay ko na itong lobster. Ihalo din natin siya. Kupitan ko ito. Hindi ko siya na nahiwa. So, yan. Tapos, isabay ko na yung carrot kasi yung carrot, matigas siya. Ayan, yung carrot. So, yan lang. Gisa-gisa lang. Lalagay na tayo ng toyo. Patis. Kayo nang bahala kasi ako tansya-tansya lang talaga. So, maglagay ako ng toyo. So, kayo nang bahala. Tapos, konting patis. Konti lang. Sarap ng amoy. Natin yung yung Knorr cubes, or kung wala kayong Knorr cubes, pwede naman yung chicken stock or yung powder, chicken powder. So, eto ganito karami, pero depende pa rin yan kung gaano karami yung lulutuin yung pansit. Ilagay natin yan dyan. Lang na kumulo siya. Kung may takip kayo, much better. Wala kasi ako. Tapos, si Sak, gusto ni Sak mag spring roll. So, yan, magluluto rin ako ng spring roll para sa kanya mamaya. So, yeah, balikan ko kayo later. And, ayun si Holly, what are you doing again there, Papa? Ay, nako. Papalo na kita, ha? So, yan, kumukulo na siya ng kumukulo. Lagay na natin yung ibang vegetables. Ayan, kasi ayaw natin siyang sobrang lutong-luto. So, yan. Tapos, maglalagay tayo nitong napakahirap i-pronounce ito. Yan. Maglalagay ako nitong konti lang. Worcestershire. Kahit bala siya. Basta ilalagay ko siya dito. Yan, konti lang. Pwede naman na wala. Kung wala kayo, meron kasi ako kaya naglagay na lang ako ng konting-konti. So, ayan na yung ating vegetables and lobster and pork. Baba? What did I say? I said no. 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 Close the cabin, please. Close. Ay, may pasaw. Ay, may nakalimutan akong ihiwa dito, guys. Ayan, may natirang isa. So, ayan. Yung pansit, madali lang naman yun kasi oh, yung pepper. Holy kasi. Hi. Hi, guys. Guys ka dyan eh. Ayan, pepper. So, ayan na siya, guys. Halu-haluin lang natin siya kasi ayaw natin ma-overcook yung gulay. Holly, no! Hi, guys ka dyan. So, yun nga. Ano sinabi ko? Yun. Aalisin ko yung gulay para hindi ma-overcook yung gulay. Tapos, ipapalit natin yung pansit. So, wait lang. Ipakita ko siya. sa inyo ng malapitan. Ayan ang itsura niya. Oh. Ayan. Nagpo-focus ba? So, ayan. Oops. Ayan. Tapos, may pasaway doon. Ayun, hoy, pasaway! Trip na trip niya tong buksan itong gravy dito. Ano? Ha? Pasaway? Pasaway? Say hi, guys. Okay. No, this is the Kuya's vitamins. You're not allowed. Okay, close. Ginugulo mo na yan. Ayan. Alisin ko na siya dito, guys, kasi overcook na yung yung tawag nun? Aray ko, pinapalom ako yung gulay. Saan na yung lalagyan natin, Holly? Patayin ko muna siya. Then eto, madali na lang tulutuin kasi napalambot na to sa sa babad na 30 minutes. So, ayan. So, ayan na yung pansit, guys. Wala na siyang sabaw, na-absorb na ng pansit. Yes? You wanna try, Holly? Say yes, please. Gusto niya daw i-try ni Holly. You wanna try? Say opo. It's hot pa, Holly. You wanna try too? Huh? Wait, Holly. Hot. Holly, hot, huh? Blow, blow. Blow first, blow first. How is it? Good? Now you're done. This is for Kuya Sakiri. You wait, you already had yours. Kuya Sak's turn.
Mom.
What? Mom. It's hot, huh? It's hot.
I like it.
Do you? Masarap? Say masarap. Masarap. Are you gonna eat later? Okay. See ya. What? You want more? Blow first. Blow. Pangalawa niya na to. Pangatlo. Blow, blow. How is it? Good? Huh?
That's a lot.
We're gonna save for Daddy and Kuya as well.
I don't have it again.
Yeah, tomorrow they will. Yeah.
That looks yum.
Of course.
And I'm gonna try.
Huh?
I'm gonna try.
Try?
I wanna know try. Chicken.
This is not chicken, this is pork.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's hot, huh? It's hot. So, ayan. Tapos na siya. So, ito ang itsura niya. Ayan. Alisin ko nga ito para naman tayong nasa karinderiya. So, ayan na siya, guys. Pansit. Ano to, Sak?
Pansit canton.
Ha?
Pansit canton.
Pansit canton. So, ayan. Closer look, guys. Ayan siya. Linagay ko yan para maganda ang plating. Dalawang lobster yan. Ano?
Let's try one. Next. I like it. Mom, hurry up.
Wait, I'm just gonna
starving.
put this to Holly. Wait. Holly, put this back. Come on. Oh, put it back, put it back, put it back there. I don't want to see a sassy boy.
Hi guys! We took in our tea.
You have to eat the vegetable, huh?
Hi.
Here. In Tagalog? Isa?
Salamat po.
That's right. Here.
Papa.
Salamat po. How about you, Holly?
Papa. Sure thing. Lapo.
That's too big, Sa. Cut it. I'll do it. Ay, palo ka ni Mama. Say masarap. Hindi pa sana ako kakain kaso si Sak. Naingkit ako kay Sak eh. Alam mo guys, kahit wala siyang yung sahog, yung wala ba yung meat, yung lasa niya, masarap, nakakasarap talaga yung ano, yung, itry nyo yung share. Ano ba yun i-pronounce? Share ba yun? Basta yun, yung mahirap ibigkas, nakakadagdag siya ng sarap. Iba.
This is our food, Mom.
Ha?
This is our food.
Yeah. Why? No, it's just a snacks. Kasi ano pa lang eh, 3:30.
Whoa!
Okay. Mama. Sarap say Ma. Nakaharang kasi si Holly. Mami na. Say Ma.
Ma.
Sa.
Yeah.
Rap.
Yeah.
Masarap. Say sa.
Yeah.
La.
Yeah.
Mat.
Ma.
Po.
Po.
Salamat po.
Opo.
Isa pa. Sa.
Yeah.
La.
Yeah. Po. Ma.
Po.
Po.
Salamat po. Okay. Saka mo eat, Baba. Kasi ang dami mo kinain kanina. I know. Kumain siya ng maraming ano. Ano yun, yung lugaw? Yung tira namin kagabi na, what's that lugaw? The soup, yun nga, lugaw. Yung arscaldo na ginawa ko, tsaka 2 itlog. Kinain niya. Banana. Yung pajamas. Nothing wrong with that. Gusto ko pa Holly. Sorry. Say, sarap. You have this na ko. This little bit. May ano na siya, may 2 na siyang bagang. Molars. Meron ng tumutubong 2. Maga siya. Right, Holly? Hurry up, Tom. That's enough of lemon.
What does that one do?
Right? Eat your pancit.
I love lemon.
Huh?
Do you want more lemon?
No more, that's it. I want more. Wait, Holly.
Bye. Hello, guys.
Oy, Holly! That's Mama. 2 rounds na tayo, guys. Ito si Holly. Ay, nagkakalat man to. This is our second plate.
Mom.
Wait, this one?
Mama.
Nagbanyo si Sak, guys. Nagbawas ata si Sak. Kasi ang dami niya nang nakain kanina. Like, siguro mga 1:30 or mga alas 2. Kumain siya ng lugaw, tapos 2 egg. Tapos ngayon, eto pa, pansit. So, ayun, nasa banyo siya. Holly?
Don't eat my food.
That's Kuya, Saki. Here's your food here.
You will still my... Mommy.
Eat the carrots.
Yeah.
I think there's more lemon than enough. Yeah. Can I have a little bit? Ako na.
I know what breaker.
Holly. Yeah.
Mom.
Meron silang banana and pajamas. Ha?
Huh?
Do you like Philippines?
I like Philippines. Mom.
Huh?
I like Philippines.
What?
I like Philippines.
Why?
I like Philippines Toyota.
Philippines too. Why do you like in the Philippines?
And home.
And I
Mom.
don't know.
Mom. Mom. Different. Banana. Mom.
Bukas mag-aadobo ako.
It's not funny, Holly. So I like to get my food. Hello, steal my food. I'm full.
Are you full? Okay, that's enough. Drink water.
Let's drink this one.
Ang dami mo na kasi nakain kanina eh.
You don't have to swim.
Can you get mommy water, please? Please, no? Here. Okay, sit down. Can you get mommy water, please? Thank you. Okay. Oh, busog na ka. First time kong i-try na lobster ang ilagay ko instead na hipon. Kasi wala akong hipon. Kung may hipon ako, hipon talaga. Thank you.
I thought you said Mom, that's a pretty one.
As in, masarap talaga siya, guys. Swerte ko lang dahil libre kong nakukuha yung lobster. Kasi kung hindi naman, hindi ako bibili kasi ang mahal niya. What happened? Yeah. What you gonna say? What can you say about mommy's cooking? Opo. Say about mommy's cooking.
Masala.
Is it masarap?
I like it.
You like it? And what is your favorite? Like your favorite food?
Toyo.
Toyo.
And rice.
And rice.
And pizza sauce.
And
Pizza sauce.
Filipino sauce, yung Papa Ketchup, yun ang favorite nila. And Pansit Canton.
Pansit and noodles.
And noodles. And how about this?
And Pansit canton.
Yeah, Pansit Canton.
The two Pansit canton.
Yeah, the other one is instant. This one is
That's
home.
spicy.
Yeah, the spicy. Yung Pansit Canton na may calamansi.
This is normal.
This is normal. This is homemade cooking. Okay? So let's close it now. Come on, say, please.
Please subscribe to the channel. Bye, guys.
So please like first.
Please like our channel star. Bye, guys. We will see you tomorrow.
Okay, and then say Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
What's my
Bye.
what did you do at Kindy? You made something for mommy?
Yes, it's very special. Very, very, very special for you. You will like it.
Do you think so? Can I see it now?
No.
Tomorrow.
Special.
Very special. I'm saying, as in sinasabi niya like very special daw yung ibibigay niya sa akin. Hey, remember we bought something for mommy yesterday as well? The one for cooking. Come here. Remember? Remember? Guys, may pinili kasi ako sa sa The House. Yung The House, mga siya, mga cooking wear, tsaka mga, basta about sa kitchen.
Her clothes.
Yes, and you gonna pay mommy for that with your money, right? Only 20 na tomorrow. Kasi, sabi niya, sabi ko, gusto ko to, sabi niya, I'll buy it for you, mommy, but I forgot the money. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kapon. Sabi ko, pwede mo naman akong bayaran pagdating natin sa bahay. Sabi ko, maghati kayo ni Kuya TJ mo. Wow, ayan na. Tingnan no. Show your money. Tingnan niyo ang pera niya. Oh, this is what you have to pay, mommy. This one.
10.
Ano?
10. 10. 10.
Ayan nga. Let me see. Ayan. This one. This is the one. This is $20. You have to pay me $20.
20. 50.
Yeah. Ayan guys, ang pera niya, oh. Ang dami niyang pera. Mas marami pa siyang cash kaysa sa akin. Hey, you have to pay mommy $20 tomorrow, huh?
Look, my name.
Yeah. This one. This is the one you're gonna pay me. This one.
That didn't mean I like that dollar.
I know, but remember you said you're gonna pay me?
No, I said that I don't pay this one.
Oh, that's bigger one.
Oh, I said I didn't pay.
No, that's $5. What's wrong, Holly?
Let's not pay just 10.
Maasim. Say, asim.
So that's how they read this one.
No, $20 to 10. It's $20. Tomorrow you pay me. Ask Kuya as well because that worth $45. So just $20 each is alright, okay?
I like it this morning.
Yeah. Okay, you pay me this one, okay?
What?
You can earn this again when you massage.
I like it this morning.
Which one?
This morning.
How much? $50.
Different pa.
Yeah. Bigay yan sa kanya ng lolo niya. So, okay, you pay me now, okay? And then Kuya TJ will pay me tomorrow as well, okay?
But I don't have much money now.
You have to earn again. Remember, Daddy?
No. I don't
So, you're not gonna pay mommy?
Oh, this is. You didn't just take it.
Okay, because if you massage Daddy, you can earn money again. And if you do some job at home or at the farm, you will earn more money again, diba?
If I help you too.
Yeah, if you help me or Daddy.
Are you
So,
helping me want to?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep this now. So, bayad na siya, guys.
Take that away.
Okay, bayad na si Sak, si Kuya TJ na lang. So, we'll see if Kuya will pay, okay? Okay, guys, say bye-bye now, Baba.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Hey, what's this called? What's this?
No, that's for Holly. That's dirty. Okay.
I'll just show you. Hey, what's this number?
She don't know yet. Are you gonna give it to me?
Say 20.
Say 20.
Thank you.
Say
20.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, say see you guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye now.
Bye, guys.
Okay. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Bye.
How about you, Holly?
Bye.
There. Oops. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Say happy.
Ali.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Happy Say, I. Say mahal.
I.
Ko.
Do.
Kayo. Ka.
Ba.
Ka.
Da.
Yo. Me. You.
Me.
You. Say you.
Do.
Ma.
Ma.
Hal.
I.
Ko.
Do.
Kayo.
Out.
Sa.
Yeah.
La.
Yeah.
La.
Yeah.
Look at the camera. Sa.
Yeah.
La.
Yeah.
Ma.
Mom.
What's next?
Me.
Come on. Sa. Come on, Baba. Come on.
Yeah.
Sa.
Yeah.
La. La. La.
Yeah.
Ma.
Ma.
Po.
What's it? A llama paw.
Come on, Baba. Oh. Tinuturuan ko si Oli mag-Tagalog. Say,
Papa.
sa. Say, sa.
Yeah.
La.